Okay, I got Erica some of her favorite snacks to welcome her, and got Honey and Benny this little matching toys. So cute. And then Mariah got her these sunflowers. It's her favorite flower. So this jar once held salt, and now it's holding flowers. So it's the beauty of recycling. Just look at that, so pretty. So yeah, now we just wait for Erica and Benny to get here. Probably just about 3 more hours, and they'll be here. And Honey's gonna be so excited. Are you gonna be so excited? Your brother's coming? You gonna see Benny? You gonna see your brother? Is he coming? He coming to visit? Yay! Yay! Okay, Erica's getting off the exit right now. Honey and Benny are gonna be reunited. Honey knows something's going on, but she doesn't know what, so I think she's a little anxious. She just doesn't understand.
I have to change my shirt. This one's ugly.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Go, go, go. Oh, Honey's going too. Who is it, Honey? Benny! Hi, Benny!
Who is that, honey? It's Benny. Hi, guys.
Hi.
It's me. Hi, Lucy.
Oh,
Get her.
Yeah. He's like, chill out. I gotta
Ben.
poop and pee.
Come here.
She doesn't know what to do.
Benny.
What's up? Hi. Erica?
Oh, that's so cute. And you got Benny.
Benny.
Benny, they got you a toy too. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And there's sunflowers. I love it. Oh, I'm freaking out.
Which one did it? Honey?
Honey. He said, "Don't touch me."
The way they're just silent right now.
Yeah.
Benny, Benny, Benny.
Around the room.
So interesting the way they play. It's so different than any other dogs.
Yes.
Because it's like their own thing.
She's so happy. We're not mounting nobody. Benny, that's your sister, you freak.
Oh my gosh, you just did something that I've seen. Oh. We still have baked potatoes.
Yeah, we can make home fries.
Okay, so since they came in so late, pretty much all we did was eat dinner, and that's pretty much it for tonight. So I'm gonna put away this laundry, and then I'm gonna edit this video. So yeah.
Sesame seeds for garnish.
Gonna need this freaking rain jacket because it wants to rain every day this weekend.
Let me give you a little tour. Okay, so as you can see, we on the buttons is the exact same color as the button. All of the thread used on this white cream portion is light yellow. Will my sunscreen fit? How many ounces? 3.5? I think it's possible. And I start by picking like staple pieces. So like I know I want to bring these black boots. This is like my main jacket. And I know I want to bring a good amount of comfy clothes. So I'm gonna pack some black sort of cottony sweatpant pants. The weather is cold, I think, where I'm going. Wait, I need to check actually. Toronto in here. Things of that sort. Where are my other cords? Maybe that's all my cords. Okay. I still have another hour to pack, so I can kind of chill. Let me just, I'll put all my oral fixations, toothpicks, mints, my passport, camera. Maybe I'll bring a tripod.
So still my post my swagger.
Okay, that is all for today. So see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Peace.